1, 2, 3, 4. That's what they do for the chorus. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another video, and let me know what you guys think about this new studio behind me. I moved to a new place. The sound is a little echoey, but it's okay. We'll work with it, and we're gonna add some sound panels to make it sound cool. Okay, so this song basically is in the key of B flat, but they start with an E flat major 7 chord, 7th fret. If you don't know these chords, then check out my 10 easy jazz chords PDF. You can download it for free, no registration required, just download the PDF and then you'll know all these chords. So I'm not going to give chord diagram shapes for these chords, I'm just quickly going to go over them. So there's an E flat major 7, sorry for the verse. So basically the strumming there's doing is just doing up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. But I do this kind of... Okay, anyway, but we'll get into that now. E major 7, E flat minor 7, and then the same thing, 2 frets down, D flat major 7, D major 7, E, D flat minor 7. So then we go to the chorus. Now that passing chord to the chorus is like a D, F sharp 7, sus 4. So that would be an F sharp 7, but then this finger is going there to the 4. But that's not necessary to play the song, but you can do that as a passing chord to go to the B major 7, because the F7 goes to the tonal center, the key, which is B major 7. So he actually does, and then when he gets to this, you could also play this chord here. It's almost the same chord. And then it's why I love you, why I love you. B flat major 7 to E major 7. So then it's a so A major 7. Really interesting chord progression and really creative way to work with chords, because the A flat major 7, obviously not in the key of B major 7. This is non-diatonic kind of 7th chord, which usually is played as a dominant 7, but now they're playing it as a major 7, which makes it really nice. Adele uses the same thing in her song. Can't remember, but the song where she plays the voice notes of a kid in the new album. So go check that out if you want to learn more about that. Yeah, so a lot of non-diatonic chords here, like the... So it's a 4 chord going to the 3 chord to the flat 3 chord. Just basically a borrowed chord from the key of B minor, so they're borrowing from the minor key with the same name. So such a beautiful chord progression, really creative. I hope you guys enjoy playing this as much as I have. That's all. Download the 10 easy jazz chords PDF if you're not familiar with these chords, and if you want private lessons, links in the description. Cheers.